Make tkinter window appear in the taskbar. I'm making a music player GUI and I can't make it appear on the taskbar or in Alt tab. I have set override redirect to true to remove the borders and the title. I also made it so that when the user does a mouse click and drag action, the window moves. Here's the code. Is there any way that I can make it at least appear in Alt tab?
After a bit of research, I have found that there is a way to do this, but it involves using C types and is a Windows-only solution. This involves using C types to manipulate the Windows style. However, you need to use the right git/set functions depending on the application's environment. For 32-bit Windows, it seems you need to use either getWindowLong and setWindowLong, or getWindowLonger and setWindowLonger. But 64-bit needs getWindowLongTrue and setWindowLongTrue, or getWindowLongTrue and setWindowLongTrue. See this. Or alternatively, if you want this behavior by default,
tkinter.